In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Shopify. We'll walk through setting up a simple, effective email sign-up form using Shopify's own tools, and then I'll show you how to place that form on your store so visitors can easily subscribe. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type Forms and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. In the search results, look for the Shopify Forms app. Click on it, install the app, and follow all of the on-screen installation prompts. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Shopify Forms dashboard. From here, click on Create Form. A pop-up will appear asking what type of form you want. You can choose a pop-up form or an inline form that sits directly on a page. For this walkthrough, select the inline form. Give your form a clear name, something that will help you recognize it later, then click Create at the bottom right. You'll now be inside the form editor. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of how your form will look on your store. Start by adding a title, for example, Sign Up, and then add a short description like, Complete the form to sign up. This gives visitors context and tells them what to expect. Below that, you'll see the existing fields for the form. By default, there is usually a first name field and an email field. If you want to remove any of these, click the minus icon to the right. To rearrange them, hover over the small icon with two dots on the left, then drag and drop the field up or down. To add a new field, click Add New Field and choose the type you need, such as last name. A pop-up will appear where you can edit the label and choose whether the field is required. Click Done, then drag it into the order you prefer, ideally after the first name field. Next, set up email marketing consent. Open the drop-down to choose when and how the consent message will be shown, so you're collecting emails in a compliant way. You can also edit the text on the Submit button so it feels more inviting, and, if you like, add a brief consent disclaimer underneath. Now configure what happens after someone submits the form. In the Success section, choose between showing a confirmation message on the page or redirecting subscribers to another URL. If you stick with a confirmation message, you can add a title and content and optionally include a discount code to encourage signups. If you choose to redirect, paste the URL of the page they should land on, such as a thank you page. Scroll further down to adjust styling and behavior. Here you can customize colors for the background, text, buttons, and error messages, choose heading and body fonts, and add an image if you want. You can also fine-tune how the form behaves, such as spacing and layout, so it matches your store's branding. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right and click Turn on Form to activate it. There's another way to surface your newsletter sign-up, this time directly through your theme editor. In the Shopify admin, look at the left-hand panel and click on Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit. This opens the theme editor. In the theme editor's left panel, decide where you want your email sign-up to appear. In the main content area of the template, in the footer, or in both. To add it, click Add section, then search for and select Email Sign-up. A new email sign-up section will appear in your layout. You can drag and drop this section to move it up or down the page. To customize the look and content of the section, either click on its name in the left panel or click it directly in the preview on the right. This will open its editing and styling options, where you can change text, colors, and layout to match the rest of your site. When you're done making changes, go to the top right and click Save to publish your updated theme. And that's how you create and place a newsletter sign-up form on Shopify, using Shopify Forms and your theme editor.